You may have seen recently on Mighty Car Mods, there has been a lot of battles, a lot of track battles. We've done Moto Compo battles, there's been Honda battles, there's been Evo and Golf battles, and there's a lot of people out there that want to know who is the worst driver out of the two of us.
I think they probably want to know who the fastest driver is, or the best driver. And there's a lot of challenges and races because driving your car is really fun, especially on a track.
That's right. Now, of course, if you want to find the absolute best driver in the world, scroll down, you'll find them in the comments section. But for us, we thought, why not see if we get in the same car, on the same track, on the same day, what kind of times we can do. Plus, we wanted to get a little bit of a baseline on an incredible performance car that we're going to be working on. So we wanted to set some times, didn't we, Martin?
That's exactly what we did. So we went down to the London Raceway, we loaded up our most accurate stopwatch, and we did a couple of laps.
This here is the ultimate worldwide global YouTube nugget race championship. So we've got Yaris HILTON down here on the racetrack. This is the car exactly as we've just picked it up a couple of days ago. We haven't serviced it, we haven't checked it, we haven't put any oil in it, we've done absolutely nothing. So Marty and I are each going to do a lap, see what kind of times it does. Are you ready to go, Martin?
I am ready to go, let's do this.
Okay, are you ready? So we're going to go 3, 2, 1, go.
Sure.
And 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, here we go. Oh my God, it's slow. 6 grand. Oh, sorry, gearbox. All right, I'm actually going to try and do a proper lap. Whoa, it's Bodie. Whoa, that's Bodie. Oh man, this is, whoa. I'm getting seasick already. Oh, the brakes are pretty good. Oh, and the tires are absolute rubbish. Rubbish, rubbish, rubbish. Understeer. Here we go. Here we go. Into another corner, getting on the brakes. Oh man, it's just, well, it's a front wheel drive shopping trolley is what it is. Here we go. This is actually a good track for this car though. Into third gear, 90 k's an hour around this top sweeper.
All right, he's up to 40 seconds at the moment. Back on this top stretch here, you know, if you're lucky, you can hit around 70 k's an hour in the Yaris.
Tuck in tight, second gear, down through the bottom.
Something did just fall off his car because I saw it roll off on the corner up there. Maybe that was one of the other hubcaps, but at least we'll have one hubcap left.
And here we go, bottom corner. Just losing time with all this understeer. On the power, here we go. 6 grand, 85 k's an hour. Across the line at 104 kilometers per hour.
And he's crossed the line in 1 minute and 12 seconds. So I will jump in the car, I will do a lap as well, then we'll average the results with some mathematical formula, probably adding those numbers together and dividing by 2, and then we will have an average time at this track with Yaris HILTON.
So my friend here, the Toyota enthusiast, is ready for his lap in Yaris HILTON. You ready to go, my friend?
I am ready, Martin.
I hope you've got your aircon on so you're nice and comfy there.
I've left all the settings exactly the same, so we get a proper baseline here.
All right, we're gonna go 3, 2, 1, go. You ready?
I'm ready, mate.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right, a little bit of axle tramp off the line. Redlining first at 50 k's an hour, up to the first corner. I'm gonna brake late, tip it in, not as late as that person that looks like they went all the way over the edge. Hold second flat all the way down to this corner. Braking as late as safely as possible. Understeer my way around this corner.
Front of the car just understeering and pushing around as they do.
Little squeeze of the brakes. Smooth is fast, or so I've been told. Foot to the floor. Redlining second gear, 85 k's an hour. 95 k's an hour along the top here. The car is skating on these rubbish tyres. Up here to the switchbacks. All 4 wheels are skating along the track at the moment. I said smooth was fast, I'm not sure how smooth that was. All the way over the last corner here. Lost a little bit of speed and a little bit of grip. And now foot to the floor, second gear, into third, and across the line at 100 kilometers an hour.
1 minute 12.19. That's pretty cool. I would call that a consistent Toyota.
How'd we go, mate?
1 minute 12.
Oh.
1 minute 12.19.
Wow.
Isn't that what you got?
Yeah, that's what you got.
No, wait, isn't that what I got?
That's what you got.
And that's what you got.
Great.
From our standing start in Yaris Hilton with the check engine light illuminated and the cheapest tyres money can buy, Marty ended up with a lap time of 1 minute 12.16 and I ended up with a time of 1 minute 12.19, which is probably down to how quickly we can punch the start and stop button on our iPhone. So for this battle, we're calling it a tie.
Well, I guess we've got our baseline.
I guess we're both either rubbish drivers or awesome drivers and we'll never know the difference.
Oh, we will. Just scroll down. You'll see everything you need to know.
We should scissors, paper, rock for who doesn't get to drive this home.
Wait, what?
We should scissors, paper, rock for who gets to drive this home, only it's the other way because I don't want to drive it
Okay.
home. I want to
I'll
drive
tell
the
you
mirror.
how it's going to work. So we
Yes.
do paper, rock, scissors.
Yep,
And you do paper.
yep.
And I do scissors. And then if I win, then I'm choosing who doesn't get to drive
Yeah,
this
ready?
home. 1, 2, 3. So I've won.
Yep.
And so now I'm going to let you drive your own car.
Thanks,
Because
man.
you put the work into
You're
it.
such a legend.
I put, I put our friendship beyond my own needs to not be embarrassed by making my way home in Yaris Hilton.
We'll have a whole lot of fun.
Thank you, mate. I'm just going to make my way home. See you guys in a little bit.
It actually does a reasonably good skid. It does a reasonably good skid. I'm shocked, but I'm still glad I'm driving the mirror home.